And now we're going to interview the strongest man himself.
Please welcome Samson. Samson, you were chosen before birth. An angel visited your mother. Do you ever think about the weight of that calling?
I mean, look, I didn't ask to be chosen. It's just what happened. I was born strong. I do what I want. I get what I want. That's how it works.
Your mother played a big role in protecting that calling. What do you say to that?
Samson, please don't go down to Timna. She's not part of our people.
Man, I said what I want, man. Just get it from me. I do what I want anyway.
You seem unconcerned with advice or boundaries.
Advice is for the weak, man. I have strength. I'm strong. No one tells me what to do. Not even my parents or my friends.
Thank you for tuning in to Legacy News today, where we interviewed the strongest man alive with the biggest ego. But will pride come before his fall, or will his strength save him? See you next time when we interview another Bible character.